making observations.
What is so scientific about slime?
Well, a chemical reaction occurs when you make slime, and I want my students to learn about chemical and physical reactions.
So why don't you just take them to the slime museum?
The what?
You've never heard of the slime museum?
No.
Wow. Your students will love it.
I am all ears.
Let me tell you all about it. The Slime Museum is
The Sloomoo Institute in Los Angeles is basically a giant, colorful wonderland dedicated to slime and sensory play in general. It's like an art installation, interactive museum, and a playful dream world all rolled into one. But first, before you go in, you have to know the rules. For example, rule number 1, do not eat the slime. Next, you have to choose a name. Be creative. When you walk in, you're immediately hit with a burst of color, sound, and texture. The space is packed with immersive experiences. Think giant vats of slime you can squish your hands into, slime waterfalls, DIY slime stations where you can customize your own creation with scents, colors, and textures, and even slime showers. Yes, you can actually stand under falling slime if you want. There are also sensory rooms, installations that glow under black light, ASMR experiences, and a ton of other satisfying activities built around touch, sound, and visuals. Some parts are super artsy, almost like a colorful modern art museum, while others are just pure messy fun. It's designed for kids and adults, definitely very family friendly, but also super nostalgic and stress relieving for grown-ups because you get to just let go and play without judgment. Overall, Sloomoo LA is a total feel-good, playful escape, part interactive art, part squishy science lab, part whimsical dreamscape.
We want to hear drop that slime. Are you ready, Uluru? We got the giggles over here, guys. And you know what doctors prescribe for the giggles? Slime. So let's come down. 3, 2, 1. Drop that slime. And the slime falls down on Umuru. Now, guys, I don't know about you, but I think Umuru here needs some extra slime. Extra slime. Extra slime! Wow, and the slime pours down. Umuru, you are looking very slimy, so we're just gonna ask you to do one thing for us, and that's show us your slimy dance. Do a slimy dance. Do a slimy dance. Whoa, Umuru is giving us the bird wing. Everybody make some noise for Umuru.
There is so much to do here that showing you everything would be nearly impossible. After having so much fun, you'll get hungry, and the perfect place to eat is right across the street. I am craving Argentinian empanadas. Well, let's see if they have any. The original farmers market in Los Angeles is a historic and beloved landmark that opened in 1934. In fact, it started during the Great Depression when a group of local farmers were invited to park their trucks on a vacant lot to sell fresh produce directly to the public. The idea caught on quickly, and it grew into a permanent marketplace. The market has an old-school casual charm and a sort of maze-like layout. It's very different from a modern mall or farmer's market. It feels more like a friendly, bustling village. Today, it's filled not just with fresh fruits and veggies, but also with butchers, bakeries, specialty food vendors, candy shops, souvenir stands, and a huge variety of casual eateries. Iconic spots like Bob's Coffee and Donuts and Patsy the Moore's Pizza. It's now considered a cultural and historic landmark of Los Angeles. It still proudly uses its old slogan, "Meet me at 3rd and Fairfax." This laid-back, nostalgic, and deeply rooted in LA's food culture place awaits you. CLA. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. Until we hit the road again, goodbye.